Now we are going to see how to calculate prime number, right? So already discussed the concept. Prime number has two factor divided by one or now see with the practical example. I will take num and input. Okay. So I enter number. Okay. I put comment enter number. Okay. Now after this I apply the logic. Now I apply for I in range starting with 2 num, right? Whatever number, let's suppose I enter number 7. So it will start from 2, right? Like starting from 2. Okay, now see this. Now I apply if I divide my number divided by I double equal to 0. Okay. So I apply this condition, right? If my number when I divided it by if it is I, then I will print number is not prime. Okay. See, if it is divided by any number is divided by I, and if it is 0, then it's not a prime number because prime number has only two factors. It is divided by 1 or itself, right? So I conclude here. Okay, I print a non-prime number. I pick NU1, right? So what it will do? So now I use break statement. Okay. Why I'm using break? So it will break the loop. I mean, number is not prime. It will come out of it. Else, if it is not 0, then print number is prime. Very easy logic, right? And I print the prime number. And right. So now when I run the C, let's suppose I run this. Now see, I divide enter number 7, and I divide 7 by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is divided by either 1 or itself. So 7 is a prime number, right? So it will start from 2, just like you enter 19. So it will say a number is prime, right? Because it has two factor. It either it is divided by 1 or itself, right? Now let's take some number like 15. 15 is not a prime number, right? Let's take 12. Okay, so this thing you have to remember, right? So it will start from 2 and divide all the numbers. If it is prime, so it will print number is prime. Thanks a lot. Share my video if you like this. Subscribe my channel for more videos and latest update on Python. I'm also planning to make some lesson on advanced Python, NumPy, Pandas, right, and machine learning. Okay, see you. Bye. Take care.